Okay. All right. Okay. My name. Okay. This is a discussion for Group 12 for virtual microbe, adopter microbe. My name is Asseel Hisham. Matric number 186446. From Group UPM 3.
Hi, my name is Fatin Farhana binti Zaini. My matric number is 190189. I'm from UPM 3.
Hi, my name is Katerina Anagwan. Matrix number SEQ 150005. Group 12.
Hi, my name is Sivarani Anapurampan Murugan, metric number A158763 from UKM.
I think Hanis, the voice went out. There's no voice there. So did everyone introduce themselves? Okay.
Anissa.
Hanis, can you try mute then unmute? Maybe there's something wrong with their speaker. Please introduce yourself and your metric number and group, please. Your mic is on mute.
Anissa.
Anissa.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Anissa binti Akbar. My matrix number is 1.
I think the video got stuck.
Yes.
Okay, until they recover, let's just start the discussion and then they'll introduce themselves. So, so far, other group members are just having some difficult time to connecting into our video discussion. So this video discussion is not more of a primary, it's actually more of a follow-up for our discussion because we did our full discussion on WhatsApp, which is, since all of us are from different universities and different times, having a video discussion was quite difficult. So we had a detailed discussion on what we were doing for our flipbook. So far we're up to date. We're close into finishing our flipbook. But each one is going to be discussing about what part they're doing or they've done and how we're going to improve it as well. Starting off that our microbe is still Clostridium perfringens, which causes gas gangrene, which is an anaerobic, and I'll be still talking about the toxins. However, since we have more than 10 toxins for this microbe in the flipbook, I will not add all of them like in the mind map because there are a lot. So I will be talking about the main 3. The alpha toxin, beta toxin, and endotoxin, because these are the most common ones, as well as they're more risky, dangerous compared to the other ones, which have similar symptoms as well. Does anyone else want to discuss about their part?
I'm doing the staining techniques. So, Clostridium perfringens only can be stained by gram stain because it is gram positive for bacteria. So, do I need to add the steps of procedure in this flip box, or do I need to like in a mind map, like how they test the color?
I think maybe we can make it something detailed but not detailed. I don't know how is that supposed to be. Maybe like not as basic as the mind map, but more of like a briefing. What do you guys think?
Yeah, yeah. In a shorter note form. Like,
Yeah,
yeah, brief. Yeah, brief.
brief. Okay. Okay. Does anyone else want to talk about their progress and their part?
Yeah, I've added the characteristics of the Clostridium perfringens and then added some pictures, just a short note form like what their characteristics, anaerobics, pleomorphic, all those in just a note form in one page. Yeah,
Wonderful.
and where they found.
Okay, wonderful. You added pictures?
Yeah, two
Okay.
pictures.
Wonderful. Okay. Anybody else? Anisha, you want to talk about your update?
Yes. As for me, I'm doing the microscopic view. I'm only have the idea of putting only a pictures, but I'm trying to find a video. So have you any suggestion on my part instead of picture and video?
I don't know.
I
Anyone
already
else have?
post one video, like the overall things about this bacteria on the like second page, I think. Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe we can add some more.
I think we should add. It's fine, but it's like has to be like short kind of video, so it doesn't make our flip book all videos. Like maybe a short kind of thing. So we as students we get bored after 2 minutes. So I think it should be something short. Since your microscopic view, maybe you can find a video which shows what do you call like that, like live view from a microscope of what's happening. Maybe if you don't, maybe a picture and just a brief description of what we're supposed to call this under this microscope, or why we use that type of microscope. Maybe
Okay.
like it's better to diagnose it, for example in electron microscope, maybe the scan type, because we don't want to see through or something like that. Just something brief, maybe.
All right.
Yuva?
I'm trying.
Okay. Yuva, any update?
And I'm going to do the diagnosing part, and
Can you increase your voice?
Okay. I'm going to do the diagnosing part, and there are two main diagnosing methods, which are CAP test and Naglus region. And so far, I tried to search for the videos in YouTube, but the videos in YouTube are very general and not very specific to the diagnosis methods. So I'm still searching, and the pictures are also very difficult to find because there are very few tests for this diagnosing of Clostridium perfringens. So I'm still trying.
So maybe you can find, I'm not sure what you call them, a GIF or a GIF, do you know, or the very short kind of thing where moving picture.
Yeah,
Maybe you can show, you can find that. And for the diagnosis, maybe for the Niger test diagnosis, maybe you can find, maybe we should think we should find more of a picture, maybe more than a video, because I think a video is going to be quite hard to find. Okay.
Yeah, pictures also very few, for the Naglus region.
Oh, because it's very rare. It's not very rare. It's not common to do that test all the time, like the usual biochemical tests and stuff like that. Okay, Hanis?
I also do the prevention things in this bacteria. So
So how
um,
are the updates on it? How are the updates on the prevention? How are you going to what do you call, present it into the flipbook?
oh, I don't um I don't update the prevention yet because I'm still working on the staining technique. So I think I'm gonna list like how we gonna prevent it and some like illustration, like you wash your hand and like you separate your raw meat and cooked meat in the refrigerator. So yeah, things
I,
like that.
since I'm also doing the what do you call it? The epidemiology, which is related to prevention, because epidemiology shows like areas, non-clean areas, poor areas where they don't have proper hygiene. Maybe we should share a double page. So
Oh,
you take one side, I take one side. So it's just like, okay, here's the problem and here's how to prevent it. What do you think?
yes.
Okay. Hanis? Hanis, I think your mic is not working.
Does it work?
Okay, yeah, just speak a bit louder, because yeah, I can hear.
Someone has created the flipbook, started to create the flipbook, right?
Yeah.
And I'm doing on the scientific classification. So should I just continue on the page flipbook?
Just add it where you think it's appropriate. I think it's appropriate for the scientific notation to be right after the cover page.
So I have to edit the one who's have created the flipbook.
I know there's a place what do you call, where you can add a new page. So whoever put the place, and then you can just add a page before that.
Yeah.
Okay, or I'll just make a page right now so you can add it. Could you do it in a form where it's like a flowchart kind of thing?
So how do we do in the flowchart?
Or maybe like we can
Many
like do it outside and then convert it.
Oh yeah, this piece.
Yeah, just then paste it on or convert it. For example, there's a way where you can convert a document into a picture form. So then you can add it as a picture. Okay. Also, there's a lot of our group who could not make it due to connection problems. But everybody's updated so far of what's going on, and our flipbook is being worked on as we're going. So I think that's a great progress from all of our parts. Yeah, since we have like started discussion after we finished our mind map, we started discussion on WhatsApp. So we kind of like ended up all our ends meet, so it's good so far. But the thing is our connections, all our hostel connections are not working well.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think yeah. So what else? What suggestions do you guys think that to make our flipbook better and more useful.
How do we like want to insert like moving pictures? Do you know how to do it?
I think we added under video link, or maybe like under picture link. We should try both.
Okay.
We should try both, and then you update us and tell us it works out or not.
Okay.
Maybe we can watch examples of flipbooks, maybe moving pictures, maybe.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of other flipbooks, but like I've seen like some about talking about the environment, and then there's one which is about scrapbook, and then there's one which is about some weird plants. Thank God we're doing microbiology, not plants. We should try figuring it out somehow.
Yeah.
What else? Okay, what suggestions about our cover page?
Cover page.
Yeah,
Who done the one?
that's me.
Okay.
Don't worry, later I will try to edit.
Yeah, we should edit each other's work to make sure that everybody's happy with it as well as it's appropriate.
Okay.
Because I got that angry Clostridium first page. I'm like, I don't know why that's the only thing that came into mind to place on the first cover page.
Such good.
So hopefully things work out that way well enough. I want to talk about sorry. Is anyone of you doing the infection? In here, yeah, it's one of our other group mates. They're supposed to be doing it. For the diagnosis, I'm thinking maybe, Yuva, you can place a video of how the test is done, but not necessary for Clostridium testing, like CAMPS test, for example. Maybe there's another way done, but it's not specifically for that microbe. Maybe like a short video, just how it's supposed to be done. And then you just type or write down the result for Clostridium, how it's supposed to be. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Maybe I think that one can, because if I find for Clostridium perfringens, right, I won't get the video. I think it should be general. I should search.
Yeah, I think you just make it as general, like, and then you just type how it's supposed to be, or maybe like find a picture of the positive result or the negative result, which is the same result for Clostridium perfringens, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah,
I will try.
Oh, hopefully. All right. What else? Anything else?
Who else are not in the video
now? Again?
Who else are not in the video now?
We have like exactly half of our group. Yeah, because they're having some connection issues, so they can't. They're all trying to join, but I think it's not working out. So they're just talking on WhatsApp of what's going on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but so far everyone is updated of what's going on. So there's just discussion to make sure that everything is clear among ourselves. So maybe next I will just send a voice note throughout the group to make sure that the other 5 are updated on what's going on, what we discussed today about videos and the pictures and moving pictures, and how maybe we can add a flow chart. Maybe they do the flow chart outside to convert it and then just paste it into the flipbook.
Okay.
I think so. Does anyone have anything else to add before we end this video meeting?
Asseel, I found a video about ways to prevent growth of the bacteria in the food. So where can I put it? Or anywhere? Or maybe we can customize our flipbook like one page or
Anisha, why did you freeze? We just wait for her to check to come back. Yeah, Anisha, you froze. So, what do you talk about the video? I think put the video under prevention. So since it's there.
okay, but our flipbooks like not really like customized. We need. I suggest that we need to customize it.
I think maybe when every person has done their part, and then we organize the pages. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay, or maybe I think maybe you think it's better if we decide which page for what topic. You think it's better?
Yeah, true. Which page or what topic is that's
Okay, all right, okay, and then we'll just put it on the group. Okay, I think in the group we write page 1 is the cover page. Page 2 is for table of contents. Page 3 maybe the scientific notation. Maybe page 4 characteristics. Page 5 staining, and so on and so forth. I'll update that on the group so the other 5 can get it through. Thanks, Anisha. That will help us a lot to prevent any messing around, so on.
Yeah.
Okay, anyone else have any other suggestions before we end? Nope. Okay, so to wrap up our meeting, so today, even though we're only 5 who entered this meeting, the other 5 were trying to enter, but due to connection problems and hostels, so they cannot connect properly. But however, everybody's updated on our discussion for this assignment, which is the flip book for custodian preferences. So far, we are on working progress for this flip book. We're closely to be done. So first suggestion was to make sure that it's all organized beforehand, so everybody can edit by page, which will be fixed. Second of all, we'll try to add more videos and pictures to make it easier, more fun for the flip book, as well as what else? We'll also try to make flow charts or charts to be added to the flipbook by doing them outside on a different type of app or document and convert to then posting it up. So hopefully everything will be done and settled by Sunday, which is 1 day before our due date for submission. And with this, we end our meeting today from Group 12, Custodian Preferences, which is our microbe. For the discussion for our second assessment, the flip book. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.